Well, hello there. Today I'm going to show you the chords for Dance Me to the End of Love by Leonard Cohen. And also, I show you how you can play melody and the chords together. If you want to play a solo, or if you want to sing it, just play the chords, of course. And I've written the chords for you and I've posted them in Telegram, and I'll put the link here so you can see those. We're going to play it in G minor, which is the original key. And the chords you're going to need are going to be G minor, C minor, F, D, and D7. So the part that kind of the introduction goes la 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 so C minor, G minor, D7, G minor. If you want to play the melody, you can add kind of an F at the beginning. In G minor, but like similar to like E flat. C minor. Or you could have done the D7. And the verses are pretty much the same in terms of chord pattern. They go like. And everything is the same afterwards. And if you don't want it to do it in G minor, for most voices, probably A minor is pretty good, or even higher. A lot of people, because they don't like G minor in terms of having to bar this, will put a capo here on the third fret and play like an E minor. You can do that too. I don't use a capo. So that's the lesson for today. I hope I can do a good cover of it someday. Take good care. Bye-bye.